everyone. Let's start the activity 12. The question number 1 we have done in the last class. We will start from the question number 2. Everyone open the page number 14 first. Everyone open the page number 14. Question number 1 we have done in the last class. Let's start the question number 2. The question number 2 is read the word problem and solve it. Let me tell you one thing, we will not write the statement, we will only solve the question in the box. Only the calculation part we will do in the box. We will not write the statement in that part. Now the first part is of second question. All level score of a star was game is 8,33,456 player scored 5,20,456 value point. How many value points are still to be scored? Now there are total score is 8,33,456 and a player scored that is 5,20,456. So what will be the remaining? We will minus the scored part from the total part. The remaining score we will get 6 minus 6 is 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, 3 minus 0 is 3, 3 minus 2 1, 8 minus 5 is 3. So the value point which remain left and which is to be scored, that is 3,13,000. The B part is same. B part is out of 1,23,354 barrels of oil, 70,536 barrels were loaded in a truck. How many barrels of oil?
Ma'am, one number.
What?
Ma'am, one number नहीं लिखे हैं.
Okay, I will show you. I will show you. Yes, I will show you. Let me complete first. How many barrels of oil still remains to be loaded? So there is total barrels and the loaded in truck. If you will minus this number from the total barrels, the remaining will come. This part you have to do as a homework. Let's do the third part. In a festive welfare, there were 6,35,000 coupons. Total coupon were 6,35,000 of different varieties for sale. 2,65,486 food coupon and 1,34,000 scene coupon were sold. How many coupon were still left? So there are two type of coupon sold. So first we will add these two numbers and whatever we will get the sum, we will subtract from this number. Everyone write down the A part first. Write down the A part first. Complete it.
Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am, completed.
Ma'am,
Question number two, that is the B part, that is same as the question number 1 that you will do as a homework. Let's do the C part. C part is, try to understand first, there is total coupons are 6,35,000 and these two coupon were sold and total coupon are of different things. So food item this much sold, and the cine items this much sold. So first we will add these two number. The sum we will get, we will subtract from the total number. So the food coupon is 2,65,486 and the cine coupon is 1,34,025. First we will add these two number. 6 plus 5 is 11, 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 4 9, 6 plus 3 9, 2 plus 1 3. So this is the total coupon that is sold. Now how many still left? So we will, what is the total number of coupon? That is 6,35,000. So we will subtract from this. This part I am doing here. Six lakh 35,000 minus what is the total coupon that is sold? That is 3,99,511. So 0 minus 1 we cannot do. So what we will do is we will take carry. It will be 10 and it will be 9. This will be 9. This will be 4. So 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 5 is 4. Now 4 minus 9 we cannot do. We will take the carry from 3. So 3 will be 2 and 4 will be 14. 14 minus 9 is 5. Now 2 minus 9 we cannot do. We will take carry from 5. It will be 12. 6 we have taken carry, so it became 5 and 2 became 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. So total ticket which is left, that is 2,35,489. Complete it everyone. First part is this. First we have to add the sold tickets. Then we will minus it from the total tickets.
Number 3. Number C. मैंने लिखी.
Yes. This is the number C only. In number C, first you have to do this addition, that is of sold coupon. After that, you have to subtract the sum from the total numbers, that is this part. There are two parts. So first is addition, then is subtraction. Done everyone, the C part?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's do the next part. That is D part. D part, try to understand the D part. D part, let me read first. What number should be added to the difference? Difference is when we subtract the smaller number from the bigger number, the answer we get, that is called difference. Difference of 2,80,165 and 1,64,425 to make equal to their sum. So first what we will do is we will find the difference. It means this number and this number, we will find the difference. 2,80,165. First we will find the difference and second we will find the sum. Now minus 1,64,425. So what we will do is 5 minus 5 is 0, 6 minus 2 is 4, 11 minus 4 is 7, 9 minus 4 is 5. Now it is
I cannot see.
Ma'am, I cannot see.
now it's fine. As I am doing, let me complete first. Now 7 minus 6 is this 1 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is the difference. Write it. Now it is clear to everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Write
ma'am.
it fast. Yes, write it fast. Then we will find the sum.
Ma'am, complete. Ma'am, complete.
Now let's find the sum of
completed.
these. Okay, no problem. Let's find the sum of these two numbers. Sum will be 2,80,165 and 1,64,425. Then we will add both the numbers. 5 plus 5 is 0, 10. 5 plus 5, 10. We will write the 0. 1 is here. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 1, 9. Then 4 plus 1 is 5. 4. 8 plus 6 is 14. 1 is here. 2 plus 2 is 4. Write down everyone.
Ma'am, complete. Ma'am, complete.
Okay, don't tell me. I will give you the equal time to everyone. Now what we will do is the sum we have got, that is 4,44,590, and the difference we have got, that is 1,15,740. We will subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 minus 7 we cannot do. We will take the carry from 4. It will be 3. Now 15 minus 7 is 8. Now 3 minus 4 we cannot do. We will take the carry. It will be 4 and this will be 13. 13 minus 5 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. So this is the number. This is the number which, if I will add to the difference, we will get to their sum. Write it.
Ma'am, we can.
Once again, I am showing the whole page. If your work is not complete, complete it fast. Question number 2, A part.
Ma'am,
Question number
complete.
2, A part. Question number 2, B part, you have to do as a homework.
Yes, ma'am.
And question number 1 part, question number 1, the 1,000
Yes, ma'am.
place sum you have to do as a homework that I
Yes,
have
ma'am.
given in the last, yes, in the last
Yes,
session
ma'am.
only. So complete the whole page first. I am giving you 2 minutes to everyone. After that, I will start the activity 13, the new page.
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा तुमको बोलो ना मैम
Yes,
वन नंबर इसका मुझे नहीं समझ में आया
which one number beta?
नहीं एक्टिविटी 12 का फर्स्ट नंबर
Activity 12 first number.
हाँ
Question number first or question number 2 first number?
ओके
Beta, I'm asking you the question number, this question.
मैम वन नंबर का
One number C. There is tens. We have to, in chapter number 1, you all have learned the round off to the numbers. How we find the numbers. Shivam, don't unmute your phone. See, tens, then 100, then 1,000. The number which is given, what we have to do is we have to first convert into their tens places. After that, we have to find the difference. So 326, its tens estimation is nearest 10, it will be 330, and 85 will be 90. Then we will subtract 90 from the 330. How the 330 became? Because we have to find the tens. So ones or tens we will take. So 26. 26 is coming in two tens, 20 and 30. And 26 is more than 25. So 25 is the middle number. It is more than 25. So it is the nearest 30, or it is coming nearest 30. So it is 330 minus 90. In the same way, I have done this. 2091 minus 1567. So 91 is nearest to 90. So I have replaced it by 90. 67 is nearest 70. So I have replaced it by 70, and the remaining digits are same. So 2090 minus 1570. Understood? In the same way, this is of 100 place, and the 1,000 place, this is you have to do as a homework. I'm telling you one, and one part you will do as a homework. See, 5,862. 5,800 is coming nearest 6,000. 3,784, it is coming near 4,000. So 6,000 minus 4,000 is equals to 2,000. In the same way, this is the 70,000. So this will be as it is because it is already done. Now this is of 53,374. So 3,300 will be 3,000. So this is 53,000. The difference will be 7,000 minus 5,000, that is 70,000 minus 50,000, 20,000. 20 minus 17, that is 20 minus 3 is equals to 17. Done, everyone? The question number 2, B part, you have to do as a homework. Everyone now open the page number 15. Open the page number 15, everyone.
Yes,
Open the page. Yes. Let's start the activity. Activity 13. Let's start the activity 13. See, write the correct terms for each statement. The number to be multiplied is called.
ma'am, I cannot see.
The number to be multiplied is called multiplicand. 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 The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. The answer of the multiplication is called product. Write it, everyone. The number which we are multiplying, that is called multiplicand.
Ma'am, completed. Ma'am,
And
completed.
the number which is by which we multiply, that is called multiplier. The answer we get after the multiplication, that is called product. Write it, everyone.
मैम क्लियरली नहीं दिख रहा.
Now it's fine. Yes, I'm telling you, the first blank will be multiplicand. 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 The second will be multiplier. 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 The third one is product. product. The number which we multiply, that is multiplicand. The number by which we multiply, that is called multiplier. The number we get after the multiplication, that is called product of the numbers. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
If your any work is incomplete, if you are not able to write now, this will be uploaded on the Google Classroom also. You can see from there also. See, let's do the next question. Next question is, find the missing numbers. 50,460 multiplied by which number we will get the product?
Zero.
Zero. If we multiply any number by 0, the product will be 0. Now 85,000 multiplied by which number we will get the 85,000 as product?
1.
If we multiply any number by 1, the product is number itself.
1.
Now 1456 is equals to 3. Sorry, multiply by 3 is equals to 3 multiplied by which number? This number. 1456.
6.
Can you do B, D, F part as homework?
Yes, ma'am.
These 3 parts, can you do as a homework? These 3 parts
Yes,
you have to do as
Yes,
homework.
ma'am.
These 3 parts, write it down fast.
Ma'am, completed.
Let's do the question number 3. Let's do the question number 3. Now see, 158 is multiplied by 10. That is 1580. Now 2363 will multiply by 50. So how many zeros are here? 1 0. So first we will write the 1 0. Which number is left now? 5. So we will multiply this number by 5. 5 3 the 15. 5 6 is 30 plus 1 is 31. 5 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18. 5 2 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Next is 45,627 multiplied by 70. So 70, how many zeros are here? 1 0. So first we will write the 1 0. Now 7 is left. We will multiply this number by 7. 7
I cannot see
49. 7 to the.
Ma'am, I can't see clear. Yes, ma'am.
Now see. Now 7 0 we have taken first. Now 7 is left. 7 will be multiplied by this number. Now 7 7s are 49. 7 2s are 14 plus 4 is 7 to the 14 plus 8, 1 is left. 7 6 ja 42 plus 1 43, 4 is
3.
left. Now 7 5 ja 35 plus
35.
4 is 39,
39.
3 is left. Now 7 4 ja 28, 28 plus 3 is
31. 31.
31. So this will be the product. Write it, everyone.
Ma'am, written.
Ma'am, complete. Complete.
Let's start the DEF part. Remaining parts you will do as a homework. Now see, 258 multiplied by 100. 100, how many zeros? 2 0. First we will write, and 258 multiplied by 1, 258. Now 6,449 multiplied by 300. 300, how many zeros? 2 zeros. First we will write the 2 zeros, then 3 is left. We will multiply by this. 3 9s are 27. 2 is left. 3 4s are 12 plus 2 is 14. 3 4s are 12 plus 1 is 13. 1 is left. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19. In the same way, 600 will be multiplied by this number. How many zeros are here? 2 0. First we will write. Now we will multiply this number by 6. 6 3s are 18. 1 is left. 6 5s are 30 plus 1 is 31. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is 15. 6 zeros are 0 and 6 plus 1 is 1. 6 4s are Can you do the work? 4 parts. Start the next. Now, this number now when we multiply 13 multiply by 56. First we will multiply the first we will multiply these two numbers, that is 25 multiplied by 13. Now 5 3s are 15. 1 is carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. Then 25 1s are 25. 5 7 plus 1 is 7 plus 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 is left. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now this became the product. Now we will multiply this number by 56. Now 6 5s are 30. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is 5. 51 is left. 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is 15. 5 I have written. 1 is left. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 is 19. Then 5 5s are 25. 2 is left. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 16. 5 5 10. 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 1 is 12. 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 is here. Now this is the product 18,200. Can you do this part as a homework? Complete it.
Ma'am, I cannot see clearly.
Now it is fine to everyone.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone write it. The part which is left, which I have not done, that part you have to do as a homework. Understood everyone? The part I have left in the activity 12 and 13.
Ma'am,
मैम 3 नंबर
B number you have to do as a homework. Let me complete the C number. C number, see this number we have multiplied by this, and 2356. I have written like this: 2000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 6. Multiply by 5. So one by one we will multiply by 5 to all the numbers. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. And how many zeros are here? 3. 5 threes are 15. 5 fives are 25. 5 6 are 30. So first now we will add these all numbers. 0 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Now 3 plus 5 is 8 plus 0 8. Now 2 plus 5 is 7, and 1 plus, first we will add the ones places, that is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that is, then we will add the tens places, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 0 plus 0 is equals to 8 only. Then we will add the 100 places, 2 plus 5 is 7 plus 0 is 7. Now we will add the 10,000 places. 1000 place it is 1. Write it everyone.
मैम written
The remaining part, the part which I have left,